with this new egress window right here, then the steps over there need to be moved to the front. And that's what we're going to be doing here today.
This should be a 2-day project altogether. 1 day to tear out and form and prep, and 1 more day to finish and pour. So this is where the new steps will be located, here at the front of the stoop. This is before the egress window was put in. So after we completed everything, handrail.
Still attach this handrail here, and that'll happen within a week. I'll come back and get some more photos and videos of that, and then I need to clean this brick up. But this is clean, really.